Ready to build your own corner of the decentralized web? First, we're going to craft a smart contract using Solidity, the language of Ethereum. Think of this as the app's brain. This code defines the rules and logic of our dApp, dictating how it interacts with the blockchain. Next, we will compile and deploy our smart contract to a test network, such as Solidity. This puts our code onto the blockchain, where it becomes immutable and publicly verifiable. We will use tools like Remixide or Truffle to do this. Now for the fun part, building the front end. We'll use JavaScript libraries like Web3.js or Ethers to connect our website to the smart contract. This allows users to interact with the blockchain through a familiar web interface. We'll write code to call the smart contract functions from our front end, enabling users to read data from the blockchain and submit transactions. This is where your user experience really comes to life. Finally, we'll deploy our entire dApp to a public Ethereum network, making it accessible to anyone in the world. This involves setting up a production environment and securing your application. And there you have it, your very own decentralized application, powered by the Ethereum blockchain. Now go forth and build. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more blockchain tutorials.